Greetings. This video will present a mechatronic system applied to the temperature measurement of container to determine the safety of decorative candles. Candles are commonly used as a source of light since ancient times. This happens thanks to the combustion of a wick in waxes such as paraffin or others. However, candles in certain environments can be dangerous due to the present flame. In this project, we will experiment with containers that are mostly in the market for candles. Their performance will be tested according to the corresponding ASTM 2417 and ASTM 2601 standards to fire safely for candles and fire safely for candle accessories. The 2417 standard suggests testing 10 empty containers to determine their flammability. For this, it is necessary to support them on one side. The upper edge of the container must be exposed to an ignition source, which in this case will be a lighter, and the flame will be maintained for 10 seconds, twice in each exposure. The amount of the time that the container continues to burn after ignition source is removed. The height of the flame at the ignition source should be in the range of 29 to 41 millimeters. A stopwatch and temperature sensor will be needed for the study. The environmental test area should be in the range of 20 to 30 degrees, and there should be no drafts. Since we are in times of relatively low temperatures in the city of Quito, this will be considered as an uncontrollable factor. For the procedure, you need to prototype shown. In this test, it is necessary for the container to lie on its side so that the bottom of the container is perpendicular to the test surface. The flame from the ignition source should be held so that the conduit is parallel to the test surface. The flame should be applied so that midpoint of the flame is in contact with the upper edge and removed after 10 seconds. The answer of interest of the standard is to see the combustion of the container. However, in our case, it will be tested with two materials in particular to obtain as a response the maximum temperature in the container. This is because our skin, in theory, from above 45 degrees, the phenomenon of burning begins to appear, which depends on the pressure exerted on the skin and the contact time. Therefore, the experiment will be carried out with metal and glass containers, since they are the most common.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. sun rays, and on